And most recently, the European Commission have been become very interested in the possibilities of this. Actually, they call it organic and large area electronics, but they're putting in about 90 million euros per year into that. Of course, the KCM Knowledge Transfer Network and the Centres of Excellence. Okay, so regarding Centres of Excellence, there are, well, it depends how you classify the centres, but some people would say there's more than this, but there's certainly 5 of sort of international stature dotted around the UK. And I'm not going to go into, because this is techie speak again, I'm not going to go into these in any detail, but there's the Organic Materials Innovation Centre at Manchester, which does what it says actually. It develops more efficient materials, both for faster transistors and also makes prototype devices. You've got the Centre for Plastic Electronics just around the corner here at Imperial College, which does a lot of work on what we call electrode materials, actually getting the sort of electrons in and out of the device, and again makes some device concepts and prototypes, and has the doctoral training centre I mentioned. There's the Cambridge Integrated Knowledge Centre, as it says, up at Cambridge, and they're really at the forefront of developing transistor arrays, printed transistor arrays. It's actually terrifically difficult printing transistors onto plastic materials, because both the ink drops and the material are moving at the same time, but they've got some really sort of they're really leading the world in that area, through to printed organic photovoltaics and things like polymer waveguides for connecting devices in computers. And there's a Welsh Centre for Printing and Coating. I think Ify and Jewel, is Ify here yet, or? No, okay. Ify will be, if he gets here in time, we'll be talking more about what they do, but really that's printing and coating, roll-to-roll processing on a sort of industrial scale. And lastly, there's the Principal Electronics Technology Centre. I think they've changed their name a bit now to CPI, Printed Electronics. It's all a bit confusing, but that's the UK's Plastic Electronics Prototyping Centre, where in principle you can take a design to them, get a prototypes made, or a process where they can help you develop